my name is Ricardo and I'm here at WeAr de São Paulo to see the exhibition of the WeAr Festival. WeAr de São Paulo is hosting this edition of the WeAr Festival. So when you start here, you have this 3D printed bomber jacket from Danny Peleg in 2007. This is the first 3D printed, fully 3D printed garment that you can buy online. So let's see. There's a line here. You see there's a little bit of fabric. All the details. Super pretty. Although it claims to be fully 3D printed, there's still some fabric inside. And I'm afraid that there's this fabric inside that holds everything together. Here we go. This is something new they developed here at the festival, which is sponsored by CNA. They made this table that charges. Just put your phone here and use inductive charging to charge it. Super practical. And this is the highlight of the exhibition, the jacket from Levi's and Google. Commuter jacket, the jacket we love to hate. It has here, you see? So you can connect it to your phone and control your device by tapping here. Using capacitive sensing, it's there. Still not available here in Brazil, but that's it. And here video. Explanation. Was it really small exhibition, but featured interesting pieces that you can see here at WeAr de São Paulo, I think, till next week. So if you like this, thumbs up. If you want more videos, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.